of half-time. Well, he saved the initial one, Dheeraj, but Eric Kaya, such a predator in front of goal, was right on the money to hook it into the roof of the net. And Ghana finally take the lead. A couple of minutes to go to half-time. Here it is again. Great work getting to the bottom, pushed out by the goalkeeper, hooked in by Aya. And again, India, for all their resilience in front of goal, have been undone just before half-time. Great work by Ibrahim. Zaire the cross for Ibrahim in the first Ghana game to score. And Richard Danso compounds India's misery. Given away clumsily again by India in a dangerous position. And Richard Danso, the man who's just come on, competent finish beyond Dheeraj. Richard Danso has his first goal of the tournament, so I'm pretty certain that's his first touch since coming off the bench. And it's another heavy defeat for India, having lost their opening game 3-0 to the USA, lost 2-1 to Colombia here on Monday, and now they trail Ghana by 3-0 here. Away again. And so Mohammed. Saleh off the post, and the follow-up is put in, and again India sleeping. Another substitute, Emmanuel Toku, who's on hand to put the ball into the net. And it's tough on India, who've conceded 2 in a minute. Again, just a lack of concentration at the back. Sully's shot came back off the post, and Toku with a simple opportunity to put the ball into the net. Yeah, you see the disappointing reaction from Dheeraj, the goalkeeper. So 2 goals from Aya, 1 from Danso, 1 from Toku. And India's misery is well and truly complete. The crowd starting to stream away now. They know their side heading out to the competition.